Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to register to vote online in South Africa. The Electoral Commission, or IEC, has made registering completely online, fast, and free of data charges on major networks. Whether you are registering for the very first time or updating your residential address because you moved homes, this video covers every single detail you need to complete the entire process today. Before opening the portal, gather a few essential items. You must be a South African citizen aged 16 or older, though you can only vote once you turn 18. You will need a valid South African ID document, either your green barcoded ID book, smart ID card, or temporary identity certificate. You also need an active cell phone number to receive verification codes, and your residential address details ready. To begin, open your browser and navigate directly to registertovote.elections.org.za on your phone or computer. Once the page loads, click the button that says Register to Vote Now. You will be prompted to enter your 13-digit South African ID number, your full official names, and your active mobile phone number. Double-check these details carefully against your Home Affairs records before proceeding to the next step. After submitting your basic information, the system will immediately send a 6-digit one-time PIN via SMS to your cell phone. Type this PIN into the verification box on screen to confirm your number. If you do not receive the PIN within 2 minutes, click the Resend button to request a new code. Verifying your mobile number is mandatory to secure your voter account and receive official updates. Next, you must capture your exact residential address. You can either type your home street address manually or allow the browser to use your device's current location if you are sitting at home. The system maps your physical location to calculate your exact municipal ward and assigned voting district. This ensures you are placed on the correct voters roll where you live and intend to vote. Now, prepare to upload your identification document. If you are using a smart ID card, take a crisp picture of the side containing the primary barcode. If you have a green ID book, photo the page displaying your photo, ID number, and barcode. Ensure your photo is well lit, laid flat, without reflection or blur, so the automatic system scanner can process and read the barcode clearly. Review the summary screen to ensure your name, ID number, address, and assigned voting district details are completely accurate. Tick the legal declaration box, confirming that all submitted information is true, then hit the Submit button. You will receive an immediate on-screen reference number confirming that your application has been successfully transmitted to the IEC servers for review and Home Affairs verification processing. Please note that your registration is only fully official once you receive a confirmation SMS directly from the IEC. Processing usually takes up to 24 hours. You can verify your status anytime by sending an SMS with your 13-digit ID number to 32810 or by checking the IEC web portal. Share this practical video to help others make their voices heard.